सर्वांके नमस्कार. ಗೋಕರ್ಣ ಪ್ರತಿಗಾಳಿ ಜೀವೋತ್ತ ಮಟ್ಟ ಅಂತೂ चलतशा एक विशेष कार्यक्रम 550 वर्षाच्या कार्यक्रमामध्ये अंतू हांव तुमकां हांगा एक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट अंतू वन ऑफ द पार्ट घेतिल्लें तसला कसन एक नेटवर्किंग आसा तांतू एक वन ऑफ द मेजर सर्विस प्रोवायडर नॉट जस्ट सर्विस प्रोवायडर बट सेवा रूपांत मस्त एक मट्टाक एक सेव केलेलं तसला दिलेश आचार्य मम्माला एक सना इंटरव्यू दाखोवचे आसा हे आती. आचार्य मम नमस्कार. या एक इतली व्हड एक आमगेल्या मठाच्या आवरण मस्त व्हड आसा. हांगा फर्स्ट टाइम हांव एक लास्ट टाइम आयिल्लो तेन्ना पुण्यतिथी टायमार आयिल्लो तेन्ना हांगा नेटवर्काचे पुरो मस्त इश्यू आशिल्ले. ते आतां तुमकां एक ताजी एक जबाबदारी कशी हांगा हें करचें तुमकां दिलेलो आसा ते कशी तुमी ओवरकम केला आनी ताजे बॅकग्राऊंड वर्क ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 years चुकून तुमी हे हाजेर कामार आसा ती कशी तुमी ते केल्या.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. एक 2.5 वर्ष पयलीं जेन्ना इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट हांगा इम्प्लिमेंटेशन स्टार्ट जालें तेन्ना परमपूज्य स्वामीजीच्या संकल्पनेंतल्यान एक स्ट्रॉंग रिलायबल स्केलेबल नेटवर्क जावचें तशी एक कॉन्सेप्ट आनी प्लॅन आमकां रेडी करचें सांगलें. सो वायल डुईंग दीस वी हॅड टू स्टडी ऑल द आर्किटेक्चरल ड्रॉइंग्स, वी हॅड टू अंडरस्टँड ऑल द इलेक्ट्रिकल लेआउट्स. Then further, we physically surveyed the entire campus. We identified entry, exit, critical and dark spots. And based on this, we made a complete report and a presentation which was then presented to Param Pujya Swamiji. After that, there was some kind of announcement which was suggested. Swamiji la margdarshanar त्याचे व्यवस्थित एक ब्लूप्रिंट केल्ले आणि स्वामीजील्या आज्ञेनुसार ते all those drawings were asked to incorporate with the architectural drawings, and then the implementation was started in 3 phases. Phase 1, we targeted each and every building with a kind of a CCTV and Wi-Fi designated areas, and based on this we completed all those buildings. Phase 2 was little critical. Phase 2 was connecting all the individual buildings with optical fiber, which becomes a backbone of the entire campus. Now we did a ring topology, primary and secondary, to maintain 100% uptime. So all those campuses were laid with the optical fiber, and it was terminated in every location, and the entire control was given in the network and the server room. And in the phase 3, we did some heat map generation, to have the seamless connectivity for mobile as well as internet users. We put all those engineering drawing into our software, a specialized software which will generate a heat map, and based on that heat map we deployed those wireless access points so that it is effectively used by all the users as well as all the devotees. Yes, we have also considered the existing infrastructure which is called Zone 6, where we have Vidyadiraj Hall, all VIP rooms, and the existing structure which was also covered under this project with the CCTV cameras as well as Wi-Fi zones. Further, since we had identified all those camera locations, we deployed those based on certain the survey which was done at the last minute, and all those changes were incorporated in the final drawing. Now, once we did this, there was an additional support which was required because we got to know that Honorable Prime Minister is likely to visit the inaugural function. So of course the support from government of Goa played a vital role here. So what we did is, after that, the entire campus, all the peripheries were covered with a CCTV, and more than 100 hotspots were created for all the devotees, since there was a lot of network challenge during the Punyatithi. Apart from this, there was also a challenge for the mobile users. What we could see was only a Jio and BSNL was working. So people who were with the Airtel and VI had a nightmare because the connectivity was an issue. So what we did is, with the consent of Swamiji, Parampuji Swamiji, and from all the support from Government of Goa, especially Infotech Corporation, uh, we managed to deploy a tower which will have both Airtel and VI as a additional support for network infrastructure.
तशीच हंगात मोदीजीन आयल दिवसू हें एक रिजन आय फील एक हार्ट शी म्हळ्यार हांग दुखूनच पुरा सर्वायलन्स जाता आसल्या. सो त्या दिवसू कशी तुमकां म्हळ्यार ताची प्रिपरेशन कशी आसल्या आनी तुमकां कशी ताजे एक अनुभव जाला. लायक हें आमकां व्हडलो एक विशय की हांग दुखून पुरा चेक करता आसले म्हळ्यार तुमी केलेले इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर निमित्ती सगळे एक मठाच्या सर्वायलन्स जाता आसल्या म्हणजे तुमकां एक प्रायड. सो तशी तुमकां कशी ताजी एक प्रिपरेशन आनी ताजी तुमकां कशी दिसता.
It was a very good learning experience. To start with, for this project, initially structural consultant Sri Abhay Kunkolikar introduced me to all the architects, MEP consultant, and all the stakeholders. So it was very important for all of us to work as a team, because there were a lot of challenges in terms of the drawings and other things. So what was more important, to have interact with all the stakeholders, understand their challenges, and share your challenges and make that as a successful plan implementation. Apart from this, what is more important is the staff from the mutt were very cooperative. But mama पूर्ण सहकार्य जाल्ले, plus the maintenance staff from the mutt were very cooperative. That was one of the winning point for us. Last but not the least, the entire dealing team was very supportive. Ideally, they are supposed to take a remote and do all those configuration and configuration troubleshooting. But to our good luck, the entire dealing team was on the ground, who is responsible for solution and support. They literally had worked 24/7 to make this project a grand success.
दिलेश माम, तुम्ही इतल्या व्यवस्थेच ಬಗ್ಗೆ आमकां सांगला. हांव हें आयकल की तुम्ही मठाचे एक पार्ट म्हळ्यार तुमगेल्या आनू आज्जा पण मठा खातीर सेव करून आशिल्ले म्हणून. तशी तुमगेले कसं एक अभिप्राय सांगा.
आमी आमच्या मठा गुरू परंपरा तशी आमची एक फॅमिली परंपरा आसा. म्हजो आजो वेदमुर्ती गोपीनाथ आचार्य हांचो ह्या मठाक तांच्या हातांतल्यान सेवा जाल्या. ताजे नंतर म्हजो बापूय आनी म्हजे काका तांच्या हातांतल्यानय एक मठाक खूब सेवा जाल्या. आनी आमच्या जनरेशनाक ह्या म्हज्या हातांतल्यान ह्या मठाक सेवा जाल्या. आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी एंड आय कॅनॉट एक्सप्रेस इट इन वर्ड्स, बट आय कॅन ओनली से की परमपूज्य स्वामीजीच्या चरण कमलात नतमस्तक जावन हांव तांकां वंदन करता, बिकॉज आय एम सो feeling proud for all this opportunity and making this a project a grand success. One last and important thing is that since I'm working for Dealing India Limited, which is a multinational company, I'm very happy that entire team of Dealing has given me a complete support which is required to make this as a grand success. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Ram.
जय श्रीराम, जय श्रीराम.